Right around the corner, you can park along the sidewalk if you could.
Over there?
Yeah, because my neighbors, they're always in and out. They're driving. Coda's selling his car right now. Hopefully.
If you give me that one back there, I'll take that one or the one over there.
45.
Huh?
45.
For which one?
Supra, not twin turbo.
It's green?
Yeah,
Is it
fine.
updated?
Huh?
Or it's all OEM?
Oh yeah. Hey Josh, the one your Supra.
The Supra?
I said 45.
It's the R33, isn't it?
Yes, don't do it.
You guys can sell this one?
Huh?
You guys will sell this one? Really?
We're on.
For how much?
21?
21.
Can I see it?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Yeah, we got options.
You guys can sell this one?
This is for sale too. This is also for sale.
They're all for sale.
So it's either this or this.
Hey, she said she likes your Sylvia and
R.I.P. Coda.
Or you wanna make a deal with both?
I'll just buy your car off you if they buy one of mine. Yeah, he has a GTR for sale too.
Which one?
32.
GTR.
Either R33 or R34 or the R35. What the
R34 is for sale. I need to put wheels on it.
What about this one?
That one's for sale too.
That's what I have to do,
And
right?
how many miles? Okay, give me deal on this one and the Silvia.
And Sylvia?
Yes. I can come, what day is today?
Thursday.
Thursday. We can meet at the Chase Bank tomorrow and we just can have it done right there. There's no Chase Bank.
Now, hold on. Y'all killing me here, guys.
Worst comes to worst, you make it
Drive
back
it?
if
You need
wanna
to go
sell
drive it. Don't. You just gonna get it and don't even drive it?
Finally sold Coda. The Sylvia steering wheel.
I know, it's so clean, yeah.
It is. It's freaking mint. It's on the gram.
You know, once it's on the ground, the change is done.
That's how you know it's official.
Yeah.
It's official.
Every time we get like a new car, for me, like my dream car, where does it end up? The G35,
Your car?
my dream car. Finally we got it.
It's hers.
Totally hers. My R1. Exactly, that was it. Guys, hey,
Guys.
Thank you.
Luis.
And then
you take care,
you
man.
see-
Yeah, so this girl is serious. This is the most serious buyer I've ever encountered. She bought his car yesterday and is coming back for the Supra for $35,000. You're back! How are you guys?
Good on, that's my man.
That's my husband.
Nice to see you again.
Nice to meet you, Christina.
Louis, nice to meet you.
You have-
What's going on? We're here again.
Wow, I can't believe you did it.
2 cars in 2 days.
Started?
Good, it's your car.
Not anymore. Josh sold your car without your permission.
Right? You really did.
Basically, it's like, hey, you want $35,000? She's like, kinda, yeah.
This is Princeton. He's only 9 weeks old. He's a good boy. He's a good boy.
He's not that good. He really isn't that good. He's a handicap.
Okay.
So we're gonna do the paperwork?
Yeah. I already did the bill of sale. She just needs to sign it.
Okay. Yeah, why don't you test drive it first
He's
and
gonna
everything?
test drive it.
And then later you can buy that one?
You got your check? Yes. Thank you so much.
Little sidewalk pit job. Get home safe. Nice doing business with you guys.
Thank you so much.
Let me know when you want to buy the 33.
Right? Let me save like maybe 2 weeks right now.
2 weeks. I'll see you in 2 weeks.
You're spending too much money right now, man. Give me a break.
Already. Dang. It hasn't hit me yet though, to be honest. Watch, I'm gonna wake up tomorrow crying like, why did I do that? Bro, this is too spontaneous. I'm like sad.
It's the most dreadful part about drifting. It's the day after when your car's broken and you're by yourself and you can't get it off the trailer. You've got some carnage. I didn't even realize this happened. Had a little accident. Luckily it didn't stab my leg. Front bumper is destroyed too. So much for a $30 paint job. That looks so trash. I have no clue how long it'll be in here, but hopefully I'll work on it soon. Waiting on you, Coda. Come back. And you have to be in it.
I don't want to be in your vlog.
Yes. Do you want to make $4.86? Huh? Because I do. We're gonna go pick up your Skyline. Yeah, she's still a little cool. She still has two R33s. Even though the Supra's gone.
Let me go get jumper cables and then we'll be back.
She's selling everything, man.
So we're not
Spoiler alert.
bringing the Mark II, just the R33 today? Huh?
Was that a slight flex? Was that a slight?
No,
Wait, so we're not getting my JZX90? Only my R33?
Wait, but I just want to detail it, that's why.
Hey, grab this tank while you're at it.
Oh yeah, forgot.
We gotta let that thing go.
Say bye to the snake, Coco. Don't want your Girl Scout cookies.
Want your Girl Scout cookies? Look at her.
There she is.
We don't want your Girl Scout cookies.
Can we leave in an hour?
Pretty sure that is fire
That was
smoke.
terrible.
It wasn't even that hot. 30 fires?
Oh, that's our video, dude. It's freaking lit.
Is that, dude, that's bad. That's like where our land is too. Well, let's hope that your R33 and JZX aren't on fire. Oh, it's like right here. Look at this. Fire truck right here.
Well, that is a fire station, bro.
Oh, I knew that. Well, we have to reverse it. Alright, little buddy. Back to the homeland. Go, buddy, go. He wants to come back. Don't let those touch. Nice, Jordan.
You guys ever play Dance Dance Revolution as kids?
Of course we did. Are you gonna sell this thing, Christina?
Yeah.
It's for sale. GZX90. So like 50,000 miles.
Okay, why is the hood open?
Stock 1J.
We got parts in here?
Parts, guys, parts. We got parts for sale. Yeah, we got canards. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Kiss the good line. Good. Kiss the good line. Why do you have a hat?
Because it's too hot to me.
It's too hot for you?
Oh,